Here's how to solve this ACT problem faster using your TI-84. I'm Tina from my tutor. Let's jump in. So let's show you how to use, figure out the greatest common factor on your TI-84. What you're going to do is, so this question was the greatest common factor. You're going to go under the math menu. We're going to go over to num, and then you're going to scroll down till GCD, greatest common denominator. And you're going to put in two numbers. So here we'll start with the first two, 45 and 50. And I get 5. Now, I can't put in 3 numbers. The TI-84 won't let me with this function. But after I do 2, I'm going to just come up, arrow up, highlight again, and then I'm going to come over and change the numbers. So I'm going to do 5, which is what we just got from those two. And now I'm going to use that third number, 84. I get 1. So that tells me that 1 is the greatest common number that will go into all 3 of these numbers. B is the answer.